Hey everyone! If you're a fan of high-end Android smartphones, you've probably heard the name Samsung more times than you can count. They've dominated the premium market for ages, and it's easy to see why. Samsung devices always turn heads. And today, we're diving into something that's going to blow your mind. Dong! Right now, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is leading the charge as one of the top contenders on the market, but hold on to your hats, because things are about to get even more exciting. Kurakka. In just a few months, we'll witness the grand debut of the much-anticipated Galaxy S25 series. While recent leaks haven't knocked us off our feet yet, there's some juicy news that could completely change the game. Joystick. According to some reliable sources, the Galaxy S25 Ultra could be packing a serious hardware upgrade that's creating a buzz across the tech world. If you're thinking of upgrading to the next flagship in 2025, listen closely. Speaka. Popular tipster Ice Universe recently dropped a major hint on X, formerly Twitter, confidently claiming that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature a variant with at least 16 gigs of RAM. Exploding head, you heard that right, 16 gigs. This would be a huge leap forward for Samsung, considering that the Galaxy S24 Ultra maxes out at 12 gigs of RAM. Even their latest foldables, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6, stick to that 12 gig cap. So yeah, this is pretty exciting. But it's not just about the RAM. Early reports suggest that the Galaxy S25 Ultra could come equipped with the latest LPDDR6 RAM modules, setting a new benchmark for performance and efficiency. Rocket, this could give Samsung the edge it needs to stay ahead in the premium smartphone race. 上方有上指箭头的 top. Why the big need for more RAM, you ask? Well, as on-device AI becomes more integrated, smartphones need more memory to run smoothly. 携帯電話ダッシュ. And it doesn't stop there. Rumors are swirling about a potential camera upgrade for the S25 Ultra. A 50-megapixel ultrawide sensor could be in the works. Camera with flash, this is going to be a dream come true for all the photography lovers out there. Kamera akai hatoa. On top of that, Samsung is going all in with Qualcomm. It's expected that all S25 Ultra models will feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset. And get this, they might even give it a flashy new name, Snapdragon 8 Elite. Kono. A recent Geekbench leak has dropped some jaw-dropping results for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Ready for this? The S25 Ultra reportedly hit a single-core score of 3,111 and an impressive multi-core score of 9,706. To put that in perspective, the current Galaxy S24 Ultra averages around 2,142 in single-core and 6,693 in multi-core.